Hey guys, Lucy here from Riva Chic. Thanks so much for tuning in. I am going to do a really short and sweet video. I'm going to show you how to take these transfers and put them on your decor piece, okay? Also, if you like today's video and you want to see more, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and also click on that notification bell for future videos when I post them. But before I go, there are some classes that are coming up here in April, some workshops that I'm doing. If you're interested in learning how to paint, and there's distressing and other ones, make sure that you click on the site that I posted on the description. And also, please visit my Facebook page because the site is on there and a little more information is on there as well at Riva Chic. So come on, let's begin transferring. First thing you're going to do is you're going to cut your transfer that you're going to be using. So what I mean by cut is what you really don't need. So we're just going to cut out the piece that you need. So in this case, for this little box here, I'm going to put this big transfer on here because it fits just perfectly, just to show you how this is done. So grab yourself some scissors. It does come with these 2 sheets. So I would just leave that second sheet on there while you're cutting, okay? So it doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be straight. You just want to make sure that you don't cut the transfer part itself, okay? So put this on the side. So now you only have your piece that you're going to work on. So on your board here, I'm going to do this on a board. It's going to be a little different, similar to when you putting this on furniture, but since we're going to be doing this on a home decor piece, you're going to lay it wherever you want it, wherever you want this transfer, just to measure it. Okay, it's good. So when you're ready to start putting this transfer on your piece, you're going to remove that second sheet, which just gives you the transfer. Now this is a little sticky, okay, so make sure that you don't touch this area. So lay it straight wherever you want it, and I'm going to put it right there. And then what I do is just kind of smooth it out and take your tool. A lot of these folks give you great tools to use for transfers, or if you have your own tool, like sometimes I'll even use this, but we'll use what they gave us. And then all you're doing now is kind of smoothing this out so the transfer goes onto your piece. And you might ask yourself, well, how do I know when it's complete on there? Well, I'm going to show you in a second here. So what I do to test it to see if it's working, I lift up my edge here, and you see, and you're going to see it from here as well. So that's pretty good. And you keep on going all the way around. Your piece here, and I'm constantly picking it up, okay, so that no mistakes, nothing is kind of stuck. And I'm going to show you what one looks like when it's not on your piece. You see this, like right here by this sunflower right there? This part right here is not on your decor piece. So just keep on smoothing it out. All right, so we got our adorable transfer on this piece. Well, you might be saying, well, Lucy, I didn't see how you put the rest of it on there. I wanted to see it. Well, the good news is, if you subscribe to my channel, okay, I do post other things in there, and I also offer classes online. So you might want to go ahead and visit my channel on that. And as well, on my Facebook page at Riva Chic, there is a site there that you can click on, and there's some cool classes coming up for this month, so we can go over some of that in the future. Okay, so now I am going to show you how to put a transfer on. You might see this where people put it over, where it goes like it's connected and it kind of lays over inside. Okay, so we are ready. So we're going to pick our transfer again, and again, make sure that, we cut it. So we're going to cut that piece of, what we're going to need. So here I have a piece that I want to do, and I'm going to measure it how I want it. And I might even maybe tilt this one. I already cut it. Maybe go in this way. So what we want to do is transfer it from here all the way around this way. So let's start doing that. And now that we got it all measured up and kind of where you want it, make sure you remove that second layer. And then this one I'm just going to go a little crooked. And I'm going to put it right there. And this is going to go over. So since I have it over, we're going to go ahead and start doing that first, so I don't lose anything there. And then the top corner right here, just do that. So right here we see that one piece did not take on the corner. So let's just make sure that's done. Okay, so now we know that the corner is fine. So keep transferring it. And then again, we're going to test it. So far so good where I'm at. And you keep on going. Well, there we have it. So this one is completed. So if you can see there, and if we move this, you can see it's there. And let me just flip it over to show you where it continues. Pretty neat, huh? How cool is that? Remember, we got this one and that one. Now that we have our transfer on our piece, it is time now to seal it. Well, since this is a decor piece and not a furniture piece, I'm going to be using a wax on it. So I applied some wax on my cloth here, and I'm just gonna rub it in. You can go slowly, just for, just a little bit for protection, and that's it. So now that piece is completed, and you would do the same thing on this side as well, and of course, this end right here. Well, that was short and sweet. If you liked today's video, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget the notification bell. And like I mentioned earlier, please visit the channel because there is information on the I have 3 workshops set already for April. So you might want to go visit that to see what classes are coming. And you can also visit my Facebook page at Reva Chic. The information for the classes is also there. And the link to my site where you can purchase these workshop classes. And don't worry, they're not a lot of money. And they are live workshop, one-on-one. Well, not really one-on-one, but one on everybody, whoever's going to be on there. But it's going to be a live interacting workshop. So I hope to see you guys there. And thank you again.